Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Blue Apron for healthy meal prep easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Blue Apron, first visit their website or download the app. Create an account by entering your email and setting a password. Next, select your meal preferences, including dietary restrictions and cuisine types. Choose a meal plan that fits your needs, whether it's for 2, 4, or a family plan. Browse the weekly menu to see the available meals. Once you've picked your meals, add them to your cart. Review your selections, ensuring you have everything you want for the week. Proceed to checkout and enter your delivery information. Choose your delivery date, which usually falls on a specific day each week. After placing your order, wait for your Blue Apron box to arrive. When the box arrives, carefully unpack the ingredients and recipe cards. Check that all items are included in fresh. Store the perishable items in the refrigerator right away. Follow the recipe cards for step-by-step cooking instructions. Prep any ingredients as instructed, like chopping vegetables or marinating proteins. Cook the meals according to the provided guidelines, enjoying the simplicity of the process. Serve your delicious creations, and savor the fruits of your labor. Take note of your favorite recipes for future meal prep ideas. With Blue Apron, healthy meal prep becomes quick, easy, and enjoyable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.